Hey everybody, Daniel Rubino here, Windows Central. We're at Build 2016 and we just came from another HoloLens experience. I say another one because this is about my fifth or sixth time. I've actually lost track about how many times I've actually used HoloLens. I'm happy to report there's been some more changes here with the hardware as it's become finalized and it's started shipping today to developers who were selected for the program. So the hardware itself has improved quite a bit. Basically the way you adjust it, the way it fits. There's now buttons on there to control the volume. Don't forget this has stereo spatial speakers that are actually very good on it. There's also now a brightness switch on top. So they both sit on top of the headset itself. You control them with your fingertips. The way though the headset fits on the head was definitely much more comfortable. In terms of the field of view, always that big question for a lot of people. I'm going to say it actually felt better. I can't say they actually improved the size of it. I just can't measure that. But overall, I really had no complaints this time. We did quite a few experiments with it, basically deploying apps through Visual Studio to the HoloLens and experimenting with different aspects of it. It was a really great experience. I had no problems this time fitting it on my head. There's now a program built in to calibrate for your pupils. So don't forget, in order to use the HoloLens, it needs to basically align your pupils along with the hologram system. So before, they used to actually just physically measure the pupil distance, what's called interpupillary distance. Now the HoloLens itself can do this. You put it on and it runs a program with your finger in front of it and you basically give it a signal and it lines it up for you. Doing so, I had no issues and it felt great. I had no problems getting tired of my head. One other new experience where we're able to try is being able to share a hologram. So there's no fun in using a HoloLens just by yourself, or maybe there is, but it's more fun with other people. So when people put on a HoloLens and you have a few of them, you can line up the holograms so that you can all share the same experience and you can all interact with the same hologram. This of course opens up things for games as well, but it's also good for professional uses like modeling, anatomy, science, engineering. So definitely a cool addition that we're able to try for the first time. One other neat thing was for the first time I got to see the menu system of HoloLens. So basically when you're not loading any holograms, there's going to be a little menu that sits in front of you. There was Hey Cortana there, and there's also Internet Explorer and a couple other tools. Definitely some cool stuff. Of course, Skype is coming to HoloLens as well. So basically when you put this on, it's sort of just like a computer where you're going to have a menu and apps you can interact with. And that is all before you actually deploy a hologram to it so you can actually run it and interact with it. Kind of neat stuff. So I'm really glad to see the continued evolution of the HoloLens hardware and the software. You know, it's still not going to be completely ready for public yet. It's in developers' hands now, so we can see what they can create with it. But we'll see more of this device later in 2016 and 2017 and, well, basically the future, because folks, holographic computing is here. So that was my experience of HoloLens at Build 2016. Stay tuned to Windows Central for more information, especially on HoloLens. We'll be doing a lot more in the coming weeks. Stay tuned.